Hello everyone, this is Adam Meister, the Bitcoin Meister, the Disrupt Meister, and I'm making my second video of the day. I'm so inspired by Bitcoin. We haven't mentioned that Ethereum also is spiking this past weekend at least. It's reaching a new all-time high, I believe. It's around, what, $18 now or something like that. And it's got me thinking about a scenario that's really an impossible scenario, but it's an interesting question to ask yourself. If you had $100,000 today and you could only invest it in either Bitcoin or Ethereum, and you would have to keep the $100,000 in that cryptocurrency until exactly 2 years from today, on June the 14th, 2018, which one would you invest in? And for me, I would invest my $100,000 that I could not remove. I would invest it in Bitcoin, since it has a limited supply, since it's been around longer, it's more proven. I think it's going to grow. Now, I think Ethereum probably will grow also, but the chances of Ethereum, something going completely haywire with it, are greater than zero. And who knows how high they are. I mean, the technical abilities are apparently great with Ethereum, but it's not tested as much as Bitcoin. And just I could see a lot more going wrong with Ethereum. I could see Ethereum not easily, but ending up at zero. And I wouldn't want to lose my $100,000. I know Bitcoin is not going to end up at zero in 2 years. I know it's definitely going to grow. Some people are going to be like, I want to pick Ethereum because it can have exponential growth. It's only 19 now. It can be worth 20 times more by 2018. That's an interesting point. In theory, Bitcoin could be worth 20 times more. Now that would be that would be a lot of money. But we're talking about comparing the two. So let's keep on comparing. Do the Chinese, currently at least, don't seem to know about Ethereum at all? I think that's obvious by the numbers. I don't know if any Chinese... I mean, they know about Litecoin, but that's neither here nor there. Ethereum seems to be a Western world type of thing. And if you do a search on Google Trends, you will see that Ethereum comes up in a lot of Western countries and Russia. If you do it on Bitcoin, it's like all over the world. It's in Africa, South America, everywhere Bitcoin comes up. Bitcoin is clearly worldwide. I think Ethereum right now is known by Western people. On to some other good news. Andy Hoffman, who you may have seen on the Greg Hunter show or just read, he's a gold guy, he's a silver guy. He used to be against Bitcoin, like many gold and silver guys you watch out there on the internet. But now Andy Hoffman is a big fan of Bitcoin. And I just think that shows the bullishness of the market now. That a guy like this I call him like a store of value guy. That's why he likes Bitcoin, as a store of value. And he's the type of, and he didn't mention Ethereum, going back to that point. And I think part of this is these store of value type people, when they think cryptocurrency, they're going to think Bitcoin. That's the first thing you think. And I don't even know if Ethereum is a good store of value or not, because I don't fully understand if there's a limit on how much there's going to be. So that's my tie-in there to Ethereum. Anyway, I'm Adam Meister, the Bitcoin Meister. Tell me what you think. Would you get $100,000 worth of Ethereum or $100,000 of Bitcoin that you'd have to hang on to it until this day in 2018? I'm Adam Meister. Bye.